Today is the first day of fall, and that means house guests for the upcoming holidays. Sometimes these house guests are unexpected, so I frequently do evening cleanings like the one I'm sharing with you today, so that the house is ready just in case anybody pops in the next day. My parents recently visited and I created this hot cocoa bar setup. So things like that and a tidy home are ways that you can make your house guests feel really welcome. But before we get into the ideas, I want to welcome you to Artsy Cupcake. I'm Maria and I'm a full-time graphic designer, but the creativity doesn't stop in the office. I love being creative in my home. So here on YouTube, I share my home decor and DIY ideas, cupcake recipes, and fashion lookbooks. So if you like all those things too, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. This video is part of a collab from This and That with Denise Jordan. I love her channel and she is hosting a playlist that'll have a bunch of other Moonlight cleaning inspiration videos, which I will link below. I created a cleaning house for guests checklist, and it's a printable to go along with this video, so you can always have a handy reminder ready to go when guests are coming over. I'll link that free download in the description box below. Okay, now let's get right into these tips on how to quickly clean your house for guests. My evening routine focuses on the main living areas, which are the kitchen and the living room. I find it sufficient to keep things ultra tidy in just those areas, especially since dishes and cat fur can build up around my house if I don't do daily maintenance. I'm sure anybody with pets can relate. First, I empty the trash can. I have these hooks attached to the side and they hold that bag in place, and then the bag never budges until you're ready to take it out. Next, I empty the dishes and then I'll put away any dirty ones in there and I'll let them run overnight. I find that taking everything out of the dishwasher and putting it on the counters first and then putting them in the cabinets from there, that's the most efficient way. Next, I wash the pots and pans by hand, and any other small items that need to be hand washed, like my little apple cutter and my strawberry huller, and then I've got my tumbler, which I have some special brushes to clean that with, and it also has a little straw cleaner, and that's really handy. I'll link that in the description box below if I can still find them available. Then I'll give the countertops and stovetop a good wipe down and then go back to finish drying those hand-washed items. After I put everything away, I decided to arrange these flowers from Walmart just a little bit more to make them nice and presentable. Having fresh flowers is always an elegant way to welcome guests to your home. You could also put a small arrangement in their guest room, and that would be much appreciated, I'm sure. I usually keep my dining room set with a tablescape for the holidays, just so it's ready to go in case guests arrive. Okay, time to tackle crumbs and cat fur. I'm using my Mila here, which I recently did a review on. I've had it for around 5 years and it's still going strong. I haven't had any issues with it. I will usually tidy the books on the piano and give it a good dusting before guests arrive too. I use my cordless Dyson for quick pickups around the litter box, but my Mila comes out for longer jobs since I don't have to worry about the battery dying. I am using the hard floor brush, and I'm going to switch to the one for carpets when I get to the area rug. There's also different attachments for the couches, and it just pretty much does everything. It's also a really quiet vacuum. As you can see, Bugatti isn't even bothered by it until, I get a little bit too close to him. Last but not least are these little pet stairs that I had to get for Bugatti since I think he's starting to get arthritis. And these stairs match the couch perfectly, and I just give them a good vacuum and they are good as new. The cover can also be taken off in case you need to wash it, and these were also an Amazon find, which I'll link below. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you can get plenty more inspiration for the holidays. I'm really active in the comments section, so I would love to get to know you if you want to leave a comment down there below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.